Hello and welcome back. This is Amanda from hookemcreations, and today we are going to do a granny square. This is the double crochet granny square, so this is more of the solid square than the one with the clusters that is very well known. So this is also another well known one, but the other one is more it's more iconic. So to get started, I am going to use a 5mm crochet hook. This is one made by my husband, and we have many more like this in our shop at hookemcreations.com. So go take a look and visit and see if you want to buy one of our crochet hooks. So to get started, I am going to start off with a magic circle. You can do a chain 2 if you'd like, but I find that magic circles work best for me. If you need a refresher on how to do a magic circle or a chain 2, please go see my other videos. Alright, here I am going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and double crochet, double crochet 3 times. Chain 2, double crochet for 3, 3, chain 2, double crochet for 3, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten up just a little bit more, and then from here I am going to chain 2 and then double crochet for 2 because that original chain is going to count as a double crochet. Go ahead and tighten everything up and slip stitch. So now it looks like I have 3 on each side. I'm going to go ahead and chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then double crochet in each of the double crochets that we made in the previous row, and then double crochet in the chain 2 spot as well. So at the end of it, you should have 5 double crochets all the way across. Just like that. And then you chain 2, double crochet, double crochet in each of the 3 previous double crochets, and then double crochet in the chain 2. Then chain 2, double crochet in that chain 2 spot, double crochet in each of the each of the double crochets in the previous row, chain 2, double crochet, double crochet 1, two, and then slip stitch because that chain 2 in the previous row counts as a double crochet. From here you're going to chain 2, double crochet in that previous double crochet, and double crochet in that chain 2 spot. chain 2, double crochet, and double crochet in each of the double crochets from the previous row. And double crochet in the chain 2 opening. You should have a total of 7 double crochets in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Good. Chain 2, double crochet in that chain 2 opening, and again double crochet in each of the 5 double crochet stitches from the previous row. And double crochet in that chain 2 opening. Chain 2, double crochet in that chain 2 opening and in each of the double crochets. And then again in the chain 2 opening. Chain 2 opening, going to chain 2, double crochet, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because remember that chain 2 is also it counts as a double crochet for this. And from here you can keep on going as many as you want. You just add each row you add an extra 2 on each side, so that would be 8 stitches, an extra 8 stitches on each round. But when you do that, just slip stitch, chain 1, and pull that through. And there you go. This is the double crochet granny square, and not so bad, huh? Looks pretty neat. So after you're done with making your granny squares, what people normally do, because it is a big deal, is that you block it. And because I am dealing with acrylic, I can just dry block this and let this just sit on a pegboard. And the pegboard is quite literally just a bunch of holes. It's a board with a bunch of holes, and then you put some pins in there, and then you slide the granny square on that pegboard and let it sit there, and then you make the next one, and then you slide it back on and slide that one on, and then you make another one and you slide that one on. And you just keep it going over and over and over again on that pegboard. And now, not everybody has the budget to spend the $50 to $60 on a nice fancy pegboard. So what you can do for a cheaper alternative pegboard is you can go to your local dollar store, and if they have a gardening section, go get the knee pad, the foam knee pad that you put on the ground and you put your knees on so you can do all the gardening on your knees. Get one of those, and then go to the sewing section or crafting section, whichever, and get some sewing pins and just use the sewing pins that way. If you are a knitter and you have blocking boards and the blocking pins, that will work just as well for this. So those are a couple alternatives for blocking. Because it is acrylic, you do not want to apply heat directly onto it because it will melt. Acrylic is man-made. This is essentially plastic. Actually, it has polyester mixed in with this particular yarn, but the 100% acrylic, it is plastic. It will melt. So do not apply heat, direct heat onto it. I've seen other people use steam. So if you have a steamer, that could work. That way it's just heat, a moisturized heat on there instead of directly onto it. You just take your iron and like only a couple inches above it, apply some steam onto it. But most 10 out of 10, get yourself a pegboard, slide that sucker on there, let it sit for however long until you're done with your projects, and it will do the job. It'll stretch out and it will block it naturally from there. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell and get notified of when the next video comes out. We typically have a video that comes out about once a week, every Thursday. We try to. Sometimes it doesn't always happen. So be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell and get notified of when the next video comes out. If you want to contribute to these videos, be sure to buy us some coffee. The link is in the description below. And until next time, happy crafting!